grandstand. Oh wait, you're John.
We're gonna do some bass fishing. This is Maria's first time bass fishing. So we're gonna throw some topwater stuff, some different kind of frogs, maybe a worm, maybe a swim jig with a tail on it. We may even break out the fly rod and put a little popper frog on it. So let's go, yeah!
That's where all the bass live.
Oh,
ooh, I just heard one. Yoo-hoo, all about the socks.
Walk out there.
Oh, you want
See
me to
those
get in the water?
bluegills?
Look at all the little ones.
Yeah, they're eating those.
I thought you wanted me to go from the bank first, no?
Well, I did, but you can walk out because you're done. Just don't make a lot of splashing.
Well,
Pull it back, reel it fast. That is a fish. That is a little largemouth bass. Finally got one. He's not very big, but he's tiny actually. But that's okay, we got our first fish of the day. Yeah, he's tiny. Look at the bait's half his body length. But you lock their jaw out and then they don't move anymore. It's a little bit dangerous grabbing their bottom lip when that hook's exposed right in the middle, but usually it's on the side of their mouth.
ooh, not bad though.
Thanks, buddy.
Bye-bye.
Oh, there he is again. That's probably the same fish. I think it is the same fish. What's the odds of that? No, he might be smaller than the last fish. Look, he is smaller. There's a lot of small bass out here. Can't get any smaller than that. That is a small, largemouth bass.
Oh, come on. I think it's someone small. Maybe not. Look, it's big. Oh my god. I feel like they're 40 pounds and they're like 2. Already. How much line did I have out? Oh! Guess what? I need to tighten that up a little.
That's why you want to bring him in.
I know.
He's a good bass, though. He is a good bass. That's good.
Okay, hold on. Yeah, dude. Oh, he is big, isn't he? Okay. There we go. Yeah, I did not have my drag quite enough. Okay. Come here, dude. Hi, buddy. Where's the hook? And then you go, ready? Woo! Look at that! Woohoo!
That's a nice bass.
Ooh. Let's try that again.
Open the bail
I did.
all the way.
Oh my gosh, I need to go to school for this.
I'm Professor Huck with Huck University for your angling academia. So if you're new to the sport or you're one of them uppity fly casters who thinks you know it all about fishing, well, Huck you! It's a place you want to go for all your fish schooling.
Yeah, I see what you're doing there, Professor. And it's really not on brand with. It's pronounced hook.
Hook!
You redneck.
Huck you!
Oopsie. It's the pink rod. Okay, hold on. Now I see where the hook is. Ready? I'm getting it.
8 for you.
You're the winner always. We might have another fish. My drag? I have no idea if it's on.
There, why don't you come where I am?
A little more line. Come here, bad boy. I like to. That's 3 in a row. You should try what I'm using. Okay, ready, buddy? Here I go. Ready? Here I go. Ah, and then they do. They totally wiggle.
Maybe I will.
There we go. It's probably the same one. Hello, buddy. Look at that thing.
I'm not going to use what you're using.
Yeah, I think you
Okay, maybe
should.
I will. Why don't you move aside?
I'll move aside. And look, my bait really stayed quite nicely.
Oh, look.
Yeah, let's hear one for the Okuma Fin Chaser. Look at that thing. Okuma Fin Chaser. Yay!
Oh! There's one. Feels better. I gotta catch up to Maria. Oh, look at that fish jump. Oh! He's a Larry Lunker.
Woo!
Okay, none of them are Lunkers, but boy, they're fun, aren't they? Your fish are bigger, I think. I don't know.
I don't know. Woo! Bye-bye. Fly and be free. Uh-oh. No, I can get it. This is how you get unhung up.
Are you not weedless? Oh, there's 2 or 3 in there.
God, this guy
This way.
has been through a lot today. We might need to change him. He's about to split at the seams, this poor guy. I mean, how many more fish can he handle? Oh, no, come on. Whoops. Woohoo! I think I tied you. Look at that, huh? Woo! I'm gonna hook myself. There you go. Not bad. He's what, 7 inches? Caught them all on this little guy, which is what?
Super Fluke Smoking Shad by Zoom.
Zoom. Super fluke? It is a fluke because I'm catching them. Ha, ha, ha. I like it.
It's a little better fish. It's a little better fish. Look at that bait. It's almost half the size as he is, though. Oh, there's one. There's one on the craw. Gotta cast straight out that way. There's another fish.
Oh my God, I have a nibble while I'm doing you. While I'm videoing you, I got a nibble.
There's the Rage Craw Strike King. Ah, that's a good sized fish. That's a little bigger. That's the size that we right my finger in a second.
That's 4 or 5 for you. Look and smile. I'm casting all the time. There's some people behind us going to get some bass, but we caught them all.
We caught them all. It was a great day on the pond.
It was a great day. I caught some on my pink rod that you got me. I love that.
That's right. I used to bring my son here when he was in high school and even before that, and do some frog topwater fishing, and we caught bass all the time. It's been probably at least 6 years since I've been back, and it was Maria's first day bass fishing, and she caught at least 10 today. So you don't need to be an expert angler. Just grab a pole, hook some plastics to it, some frogs, some shad patterns, some whatever. Throw it out there and see what happens.
Idaho Mountain Angler. We're the Idaho Mountain Anglers, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
If you could, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and check out our next video. Thanks for watching.